Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First, open Trust Wallet and check your USDT balance. To the right of USDT, you will see the network it is on. In this case, it is Ethereum, but yours may be different. Remember this, as you will need to select the same network on Binance. Now, open Binance and tap on Assets. Next, select Deposit, and then search for USDT and select it. Choose the network that matches your USDT in Trust Wallet. After that, Binance will provide a QR code and a deposit address. Copy the address to your clipboard. Back to Trust Wallet, tap Send and select USDT. Paste the copied Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, or select Max to send all of your USDT. Tap Next and double-check the address. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to complete the transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.